Hey everybody, welcome back to Rockin' Tommy 98, and today I'm going to mix Coke with baking soda. I got this Coke from my work. It was out in the open because it was dented and no one wanted it, so I brought it home, not to drink it, but to do something fun with it. So we're going to mix baking soda with Coke. Here we go. Let's swirl it around a bit. It actually does explode with Coke. Yeah, you can hear it sparkle too. And I put it in a... Shit, we gotta get more baking soda now. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.